Why can't Sung Jinwoo extract Baruka? Possible reasons explored. Foremost, Sung Jinwoo's shadow extraction skill doesn't have a 100% success rate, which explains why he has 3 chances to use the skill on a single target. The moment Sung Jinwoo exhausts his chances, he can't do anything about it, even if he has a huge desire to add them to his force. Shadow extraction, after all, is not guaranteed to work on every opponent Jinwoo faces for various reasons, and Baruka is no exception. Difference in strength. In Solo Leveling Chapter 55, Sung Jinwoo thinks that he failed in extracting Baruka's shadow because there's a huge difference in their strength. At the time of their encounter, Baruka is at a much higher level than Jinwoo, who, despite having more troops at his side, doesn't have enough mana to sustain them for very long. Even Igras, his foot soldiers, and his mages can't stand against Baruka. That said, Baruka may just have been significantly stronger than Jinwoo when he tried to use the skill and failed.